In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change pen tool color in Photoshop, and I'll also explain the most common reason why your pen tool is not showing color at all. This is a super useful tip if you're creating logos, icons, UI shapes, outlines, or any kind of clean vector design inside Photoshop. If you've ever drawn with the pen tool and wondered why nothing is filling with color, stay with me because the fix is usually very simple. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, select the pen tool by pressing P on your keyboard. You can also choose it from the toolbar on the left side of Photoshop. Once the pen tool is active, look at the options bar at the top of the screen. This is where the most important setting lives. You'll usually see different modes there, and the one you want for colored shapes is shape mode. If your pen tool is set to path mode, Photoshop will only create a path outline, not a filled shape. That is the main reason many people think the pen tool color is missing. So if you are not seeing any color, check this setting first. Now switch the mode to shape. As soon as you do that, Photoshop will let you create actual shape layers instead of just paths. This means you can control the inside color and the outline color directly. Once you're in shape mode, you'll notice two important options, fill and stroke. Fill controls the inside color of the shape and stroke controls the outline color. If you want a solid colored shape, click the fill box and choose the color you want from the color picker. If you want a border around the shape, click the stroke box and choose an outline color as well. If you want no border, you can set the stroke to none. And if you only want an outline shape, you can lower or remove the fill color. This gives you a lot of control depending on the design you're making. Now start drawing your shape with the pen tool. Click to place anchor points, and when you close the path, Photoshop will create a colored shape layer using the fill and stroke settings you selected. This is the best way to draw colored shapes directly with the pen tool in Photoshop. Now let's talk about changing the color of an existing shape. If you already drew your shape and want to change its color later, it's very easy. First, select the shape layer in your layers panel. Make sure you are selecting the shape layer, not just the path. Next, open the Properties panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and then click Properties. Inside the Properties panel, you'll see options for fill and stroke again. From here, you can change the fill color to update the inside of the shape, or change the stroke color if you want to adjust the outline. This is really handy because you do not need to redraw the shape just to change its color. You can keep editing it non-destructively, which saves a lot of time and keeps your workflow flexible. So if your pen tool is not showing color, remember this simple rule. It is almost always because you are in path mode instead of shape mode. Switch to shape, then use fill and stroke to control the colors. That's the key difference. Let me quickly recap it for you. Press to select the pen tool. Set the mode to shape. Use fill for the inside color and stroke for the outline color. If you already made the shape, select the shape layer and change the color in the Properties panel. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.